Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click the bell button to turn on notifications, and if you like the video, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Life is full of its ups and downs. One day, you may feel like you have it all figured out. Then, in a moment's notice, you've been thrown a curveball. You're not alone in these feelings. Everyone has to face their own set of challenges. Learning how to overcome challenges will help you stay centered and remain calm under pressure. Everyone has their own preferences for how to face a challenge in life. However, there are a few good tips and tricks to follow when the going gets tough. Take your pick from the following list. Number 1. Know you're not alone. Every person in this world has their low points. Some may handle or even hide it better than others. But the truth is, whatever you are going through, there are others who have been through it too. You're not alone. Try to reach out to your community and network. Speak your feelings and express your concerns in all settings of your life. Number 2. Have time alone and away from the noise of the outside world. Sometimes it's better to be alone and immerse yourself in the silence of solitude, not just to think, but to refresh and recharge your mind from the noise of the outside world. This alone time, as others call it, can help you have a stress-free and pressure-free environment to just think and be with yourself. Number 3. Feel your feelings. Realize that it is okay to feel pain. Let yourself be sad, angry, or feel any other emotion. Feeling your emotions is as healthy as it is important. Bottling these feelings up will do you harm in the long term and prevent you from being able to process the obstacles in your life and formulate plans to get past them. If you feel like crying, shed a tear. If you feel like screaming, let it out. Number 4. Make a plan. You can feel those emotions, but you can't live with them forever. And you can't let them run your life. In order to overcome life struggles, you'll need to make a plan. Figure out what it is that you need to do in order to succeed at overcoming the challenges you're facing. Number 5. Accept support. Asking for help is only one side of the coin. On the other side of the coin, you have to be open and willing to accept support. People who come to your aid truly do care about you. Be open to receiving help when you need it. Number 6. Positive mindset. What you think becomes your reality. Train your mind to think positively. This will take both time and practice. It begins with mental awareness. You can practice awareness through mindfulness techniques and meditation. When you get good at acknowledging your thoughts and letting them pass, you can stop negative thoughts in their tracks. Number 7. Celebrate the small steps you take. Don't hesitate to celebrate your small victories, even if you're facing a much larger obstacle. It's okay to drop your guard and just remind yourself to be happy once in a while. After that, you'll come back better and stronger than ever. Number 8. Don't give up. When a challenge arises, be it a big test in school or an upcoming running race, don't give up. Persistence is a huge key to overcoming challenges. Giving up means that you will neither overcome the challenge nor learn from it. Power through challenges by asking for support, feeling your feelings, and making a plan to work through it. Number 9. Let things go. You don't have to hold on to something that keeps on draining the happiness out of you. It's that simple. The challenges that you face every day creates a lasting impact on your overall well-being, but you always have the choice to move on and just let them go. Number 10. Be proud. Be proud of all that you've lived through. You've made it this far in life, and that in itself is an accomplishment. Learning how to deal with challenges takes time, persistence, and a positive attitude. No matter your life situation, the hard times will come. But with the right mindset and practice, you will be able to overcome them every time and grow in the process. Thanks for listening, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave a comment and share with your friends.